Hello everyone. Tired of that sinking feeling when you realize a payout was processed, but you completely missed the settlement alert? But don't worry. By the end of this video, you will have a foolproof automated system that instantly notify you on the Telegram the moment Razorpay pays the settlement. Hello everyone. Welcome to AutoAppy. Before performing this automation, let me just give you a brief introduction about AutoAppy and where we are going to perform this automation. So let me just go through the our website, which is so this is the landing page of AutoAppy. So simply, if I have to tell you what is AutoAppy, so you can see AutoAppy as your digital assistant, making your business way more smoother than ever. So this is the landing page of AutoAppy. So before going to start our automation, let me give you a short intro of what is AutoAppy. So if I have to tell you about what is AutoAppy, just think AutoAppy as your digital assistant, where you can build the countless powerful automation workflows which can be help you to run your businesses way smoother than ever. Now, this is the landing page of AutoAppy where you can find in this section you got a list of applications which will be going to helpful while you are creating your automated workflows. Then you scroll down. Here you can find a ready-made templates which can be directly used in your day-to-day life or in your current running businesses. So it is so in next section you will find there is a list of template also available. The architecture of this workflow is designed in this way which can be going to be helpful for the businesses. Now let's come to the pricing plan point where we provide a three pricing plan. First is starter plan, essential plan and professional plan. In our starter plan, we just provide a 3000 tasks every month at the price point of 0 and then 60,000 tasks at the price point of 1949. Similar way, at the price point of 949, we just provide 25,000 tasks every month. So here you can find this is a dashboard of automation workflows where you are able to manage and monitor your workflows. In this section, on the basis of the filter, like on the basis of their status, task executed by the workflow, with of this all the filter, you can just create the workflow and you can manage or monitor your workflow. Now let's just create the workflow by simply tapping on the add the workflow and give it a name of payout process to settlement error. And save this one. So here you can find a list of application here where we called it a trigger application. So trigger, so to understand the nature of the trigger is basically whenever the webhook is going to be hit or whenever any of the condition is going to be satisfied, then the trigger is going to be hit and the workflow is going to be executed. Now let's just search for our trigger application, which is a Razorpay itself. Yeah, this one. And now you just got the event which will be going to use for a payment. So in our case, we are going to use the payment capture and just add the first application. So yes, here you can find we successfully add the Razorpay node in our AutoPay canvas. So here you can find we successfully add a Razorpay in our canvas. Now let's just set up this can. Now let's just set up this node by simply setting up this web by simply setting up this webhook URL in the and in the scroll if you scroll down we just got you the list of setup instruction how we are going to set this webhook URL. So you just have to simply copy your webhook URL and come to your Razorpay account. So come to your account and settings and then search for the webhook and select this one. Add my webhook URL. Just add a new webhook and and paste your webhook URL here itself. Now what we just want whenever the payment is going to be captured, we just want the webhook is going to be hit and the payment is going to be failed or it is going to be settled. So just select this one also. And now we just select all the events. So it's time to create a webhook. So yes, we just successfully created our webhook. Now it is working fine, correctly fine. Yes, establish a communication gate between Razorpay to our AutoAPI. Whenever the payment is going to be captured in our Razorpay account, AutoAPI will be going to capture this information or data. Now it's time to check this webhook URL. Just come to your Razorpay account and search for the payment link, or you can use the payment pages also. So I just copy and paste your webhook URL here itself. So this is the one which I'm going to use right now. Automation workflow is the name of my payment. So before starting the payment process, just make sure you start the capturing sample data and just give it the name and just fill the form with the number and pay the email and pay the amount. So I'm going to use UPI and then success Razorpay and verify the payment. So here we just successfully did the payment. Now let's come to our AutoAPI automation dashboard and within a few seconds just tap on the check status. So yes, we just got all the data from here itself. Now we successfully set our trigger application. Now it's time to set up our action application, which is Telegram. But before setting our action application, let me just show you one thing. Whenever a Razorpay send you the data, the amount will be comes with a two extra zero. So what we have to do, we just have to add a one another node which is named as a math operator, which is built by the AutoAPI itself, and select the math and add these nodes. So yes, now whatever the math, whatever the mathematical calculation you want to do, you can do it in here itself. So just get data from your previous node with the help of this mapper. Now come to the payment and yeah, this is the data which I want and I want it to divide with 100. So yes, now submit the data and test this node. So here you can find I just got the data with this amount. So just come to the action application which is trigger. So which is Telegram and the event which I'm going to use is send messages and add the node. So here you can use your existing connection also and you can create your new connection. In our case, we are going to create a new connection and now it is going to demanding for a API key. So let me just name it as a payment settlement alert and it is going to ask me for the API key. Now open a new tab and search for the Telegram and in the Telegram you have to just search for the bot father. So here you can find this account. Now what we have to do, we just have to do one thing. We just tab on new bot and we are going to name it as a settlement alert. So yes, we just got our API key. Just copy your API key from here and come to the here this section and paste it here. Now our API key is successfully done. Now save the connection. So yes, we just successfully set up our API key and we can ready to use our action application which trigger it which is Telegram itself. Now it is going to demand for the two things. First is chat ID and second is message text. Now to use this chat ID, what we have to do, we have to go to the two process. First, come to your auto Telegram and first you have to just create a one you and come to the Telegram. First you have to do this create a one group. I already created a group and come to this group Now we have to add our bot in this group itself so we can able to use this chat ID and our bot also able to send the messages. Now I can do it manually with my cell phone. So come to this. So here you can find I just successfully add my bot here. So now I am able to use this chat ID, just copy it and paste it here. Now it is going to asking me the message in the text format. So let's just get a message. I already created the message. I just copy it from here and paste. I already created a message. Let me just paste it here. So just paste it here. And now what I so I just created a message and pasted here. So here it is. So here what I want, I just have to just erase the data and map it with my previous node, which is coming from my Razorpay. So just use the mapper and map the data from your Razorpay and search for the amount. So I just use the different application. I have to use the math operator and yes, now it is. So I just paste my data here itself. Now what I have to do, I just have to map the data from my previous node. So I can use mapper and then search for the data which from my previous node and paste it here. So I do it for rest of the thing. So here I just paste all the data. Now submit the data and test this node and come to your Telegram group. So yes, you can find the data with the respective amount and their ID followed by their ID. So we just got the data which will be sent from our auto API. Have it. You just learn how to set up an automation system, receive instant Razorpay settlement alert. Directly came from your Razorpay to your Telegram. You will never have to worry about missing the payout update again. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, make sure you like and share this video. Smash the subscribe button for more automation tips that save your time and money. And for a head start, grab the direct link in the exact automation template, which is given in the description below itself. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching.